Hello people, in the last video we showed you a short demonstration on how to use sci-hub to get your research papers, your journal, to support your research studies and your basically your findings, right? Papers that have been otherwise paywalled, that have been otherwise gatekept on other publications that you have to pay to access, right? Have been made available freely on the sci-hub website. So if you missed that video or you didn't see it, click on our channel and access the video in our channel. But today, I'm here to demonstrate another groundbreaking development from the sci-hub community, which is the scientific search engine, basically, that they have recently just developed. So this scientific search engine takes search to a whole new level, in the sense that it uses an AI framework to search into sci-hub's database, one, and then secondly, also uses the AI framework to search into other publications like Archive, like PubMed, like Google Scholar, you name it, right? So sci-hub has about 90 million papers and journals in its database, but this takes your search further and deeper, in the sense that it looks beyond sci-hub to provide for you. So let's search for the paper that made all of this possible in the first place. Attention is all you need. And then enter. Preview takes about 30 seconds to get results, connecting to the engine, matching relevant results, and boom, we have our results. So here we see a summary of the paper that we've just looked for. The phrase "attention is all you need" refers to a groundbreaking paper by Vaswani et al. Published in 2017. And then you see the blurb, right, which is really, really, really cool. And then you see the results. You see this is published on Archive, this is published on sci-hub. You can also limit your search to sci-hub itself if that's what you want. You toggle this on, and then you make sure that your search results are only limited to sci-hub publications, which is also really cool. Also, you have your search history here, which I think you can access about 100 search history. It keeps your data for about 100 searches. Also, to access the paper that you've just searched for, you just need to click here, and then it redirects you to the publication hosting the paper that you are interested in, which is here. You have your "attention is all you need," and then you can just have at it. And also we have other features that I'm not going to go into right now, but I'm going to do that in our next video. So be on the lookout for our next video. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of what is going to come. I'm going to be showing how to connect to wallets and how to get pro version, because this scientific search engine has more than what I've just showed you right now. Okay, so this is for the free usage, pardon me, and you have storage up to 100 searches. The AI assistant that just provided a summary, and then free research functionality. For the membership, you have the all features that I've just listed, but you have things like deep reading, you have access to token incentivization, incentives, you have support for all features, and then much more. So how to get sci-hub tokens and continue with standard. So all of these things we're going to be diving into in our next video. For people who are not familiar with Web3, who don't understand the concept of tokens, who don't understand the concept of what it means to connect to a wallet. So be on the lookout for that. Until then, keep learning and keep building. See you.